All right, we are back. Let's finish this. Let us finish it. Okay. Now, we did, before we were timed out, we calculated Z-score. Okay. We did Z-score. So that's where we did how to calculate the Z-score. So we did example. Now, let's look at the next measure of position. It's called a percentile. Percentile divide the data set into 100 equal parts. They divide the data set into 100 equal parts. Now, to calculate the percentile, you need two formulas. Well, one formula actually, depending on the kind of question that you were asked to do. Some question might ask you to find the percentile. In that case, you use this formula here. Okay. In some books, they don't use this 0.5. 0.5 is just to in a way of making adjustment for moving from numbers that are discrete to continuous or vice versa, kind of correction for continuity, kind of. So some books use it, some books doesn't, but here for our class, we'll be using it as the formula for calculating the percentile. So I will have the percentile is number of values below X divided by plus 0.5, the correction factor, divided by total number of values times 100%. Okay. Now, we are now gonna, if it asks you to find the percentile rank, then you use this formula here, N times P over 100. Now, we have PR, P is the location factor, N is number of values, and P is the percentile of interest. Let's apply this here. You see, the teacher gave this exam for, it's a 20-point test to 10 students. The scores are listed here. You can see the scores for the students in this exam. Okay. So it says here, find the percentile rank of the score of 12. Find the percentile rank of the score of 6. Find the value that corresponds to 25th percentile. And then find the value that corresponds to the 60th percentile. All right, let's start with the first one, solution. The first one, A, says, find the percentile rank of the score of 12. The first thing you do, actually, before you do any percentile problem, is to arrange the numbers in order. So I think I've arranged them here. So I'm going to use this. Cut it out from there, please. Okay. Best place to do it. Yep, put it right there. Oops, I copied the wrong thing. So arrange them in order. So arrange them in order. I'm gonna copy from here. And then go over there and paste it. They are now arranged. See? From the smallest to largest. So we can now apply this formula here. Percentile rank. That's what they ask you. The percentile rank. So I'm gonna do this one. Okay. Say find the percentile rank of the score of 12. So in this case, our X is 12. My mistake there. Yeah. That rank. Oh, percentile rank is give me 1 minute. Let me 1 minute. Okay, this is a little bit. But we're not gonna use this for this is not percentile rank. We're gonna you use a different formulas. My mistake. Sorry. This is the one we're gonna use here. This is the one we're using. The first formula. So now, in that case, the percentile rank of the score of 12. 12. X is our 12. F is our X. Now it says number of values below X. How many numbers are below 12 here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See? 6 numbers are below 12. So we have a number of values below X. So let's put this in the formula. Percentile. Let me put it at where it will be written properly. Number of values below X divided by, plus 0.5 divided by the number of values times 100. I will take you to the other workbook so we can get the formula properly. Let's see if I can have it. Okay, I have it here. Okay. So we have percentile equals number of values below X, which in this case is 6 numbers below 12, plus 0.5 divided by total number of values. How many numbers do we have there? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 of them. You go there and put 10. And times hundreds. Times 100%. Times hundreds. Let's put it in the calculator, see what to give us. So we have that 6 number of values below X, 6 plus 0.5 plus 0.5, okay, divided by total number of values, 10 of them, okay, times 100, 65. So 65, 65. So like I said, this number just to correct. So 65th percentile, I'll call it 65th percentile. Okay. So that gives us 65th percentile. So that means a student who score, how do you interpret this? Interpretation. A student whose score is 12 performed better than 65% of the class. Percent of the class in the test. Questions? Any question for me? Good. Excellent. Part B says, find the percentile rank of the score of 6. In that case, score of 6. Part B, X is equal to 6. So 6 of them, how many numbers below 6? 6 here, so you have 3 numbers below 6. So I mean, our number of values below 6, below X is 3. So we can go there and put a 3. So go to the formula and our formula paper, our formula workbook, and put 3 here. And then so you can figure it out from the calculator. Okay. So we come here and put 3. Remove 6 and put 3. 35. So that becomes the 35th percentile. 35th percentile. So a student whose score is 6 performed better than 35% of all the students who took the tests. Okay. 5th percentile. Question. Okay. Excellent. There's no so. Other one is find the value that corresponds to the 25th percentile. In that case, that's where you use this formula here. The location number. Percentile. This should be percentile location. Locator, not should be PL. Let me correct it right away. Percentile location number. Percentile location. PL, not PL. Okay. Locator. Location number. Okay, that's better. That's way. PL. So I can correct it right away. Make it what it is. Okay, that's better. Okay, now part C says find the number that corresponds to the 25th percentile. So we're gonna use this as part C. Again, they are arranged in order from smallest to largest. So our N is 10 because there are 10 numbers. And the percentile of interest, P, is 25th percentile. P is 25. The number we're looking for becomes, you plug it in here, N times P over 100. So that means PL becomes N times P over 100. N times P, that means 10 times 25 over 100. 10 times 25 over 100. So this is a percentile location number. Okay, it becomes, put this in. I will have 10 times 25 over 100. 10 times 25 divided by 100. 2.5. Now, whenever it is a decimal like this, go to the next whole number, 2.5. Whether you are doing quartile or percentile, whatever, if your answer is like this, go to the next whole number. Next whole number is 3. 3, which means that the location number is 3. Equals 3. So that our percentile, actually P25, P25 percentile. So that P25 becomes P25 becomes, now you go and count. See, this is the location number, it's 3. So you go and count 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 5. So the answer is 5. 25 percentile is 5. Okay, which means that the student corresponds. So a score of 5 corresponds, interpretation. So the score of 5 is correspond to the 20 percentile. So the score of 5 in the test of 5 corresponds to the 25th percentile. Any question on this? Any question?
There will be question. Maybe when I don't know. Am I the only one? I don't know.
Professor.
Next one will be part D. To find the value that correspond to the 60th percentile. And then you follow the same process. We'll have it, copy it so we can do it here. 60th percentile.
Excuse me,
Okay.
Professor. Because I didn't get the last one you did.
Okay, what is your question then?
Okay, after we got the location number to be 3, then the
Then you go back to the number where you arrange them and count 3 times. 1, 2, 3. The third number is the 25th percentile. Third number is 5. That is the 25th percentile.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now, sometimes like this one we're about to do now will be different because in this case we don't have a single number. It says NP. So in that case, if we plug it in, P60 becomes N times P, which is 10 times 60 over 100, which gives us 6. Because you do 10 times 60 over 100, you get 6. As you can see from here, 10 times 60 over 100. If you change it to 60, see 6. So there's no decimal part here. There's no decimal part. So in this one, if you get the answer like this, what you're going to do is you're going to do the 6th number plus the 7th number. If it is 4, you got to do the 4th number on the 5th number. If it is 5, you got to do the 5th number and the 6th number. So, but if there's a decimal, if you have a decimal here, there's a 6.1, then you just go use the 7th number, go to the next number. But if there's no decimal, go to the next number to use 2 numbers. So that means here it is 6, okay? Which means that the location number will now become, location numbers. Numbers will be equal to the 6th number plus the 7th number, okay, divided by 2. See, you can see the difference. Here, we have a decimal number, a decimal part. In that case, just go to the next number, which is 3. Then you go and count them out. But if there is no decimal, like here, then you gotta do the 6th number or the 7th number divided by 2. So in this case, our 6th number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the 6th number here, and this is the 7th number here. So 10 plus 12 by 2. So you do this whether it is whether you're doing a percentile or quartile, you do this whenever there's no decimal part. So 10 plus 12 is 22. 22 divided by 2 is 11. That means any score of 11 corresponds to the 60th percentile. Okay. The interpretation. Okay. The score of 11 corresponds to the 60th percentile. Okay. Questions before we round up?
I have a question. I just want to be clear, sir. So if we actually have a figure that's like 6.7 and we round it up to 7,
Yes.
right? We don't need to do the plus or minus or plus.
No.
Okay,
No.
we'll just put it there like that, right?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Any other question? All right, let us take our attendance so you can leave and go and prepare for your Christmas. Okay.
That class on Monday.
Yes, class on Monday. Yes.
Okay, sir.
So let me
How about tomorrow? Is that class tomorrow?
no more class until Monday. I'll see you back on Monday.
Okay.
So let us go and celebrate our Christmas. Bakara, you here, right?
Yes, sir.
We can leave now. I got Olubisi. Olubisi, you can go.
Okay, thank you, sir. Good night. Have a good Christmas.
I got Angelique. Angelique, you there?
Yes, I'm here. Happy holidays. Thank you.
Happy holiday. I got Brandy. Brandy, you there?
Yes, I'm here.
You can go now. Happy holiday.
Okay,
Ramos,
thank you. Same to you.
You're welcome. Ramos.
Yes.
I got your name now. Happy holiday.
Oh, thank you too.
Abimbola.
I'm here.
Have a nice holiday.
Happy holidays.
Adenike. Adenike.
Present. I'm here.
Have a nice holiday.
Good night, sir.
When is Shola?
I'm here.
Have a nice holiday, okay? Harris, Miss Nina Harris. Nina Harris. Lovelace.
Yes, I am here. Have a happy holiday.
Thank you, Miss Lovelace. And Kristen, are you there?
Kirsten Brown?
Yep.
Yep, that's me.
Okay, have a nice holiday, okay?
Thank you, you too.
Roselle, Nicholas Roselle.
Here.
Enjoy your holiday.
You too.
Oluwa Fumilayo.
He's here. Happy holidays.
Holidays. And Paula Moore, you there? Miss Moore? Miss Moore.
Yes, I'm here.
Happy holiday, okay? And who else? Abadi.
Yes, Abati.
Abati Harmut, okay. Happy holidays, okay?
Same here, sir. Bye.
Who else left? Shavana Graves.
I'm here.
Enjoy your holiday. Castillo. Castillo, you there?
Yes. Happy
Enjoy your
holidays.
holiday, okay? Harris. Miss
Yes,
Harris.
I'm here. Nina Harris.
Okay, enjoy your holiday, okay? Tara.
Too.
Tara, you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Have a nice holiday. Okay, I see you on Monday.
All right, have a good holiday. Be safe.
You too. Miss Shannon, have a nice holiday. Miss Shannon, have a nice holiday. Okay, let's see. What am I going here? Okay, end the class.